Welcome back to Mythic Machines. In today's episode, I'm going to be finishing up cleaning up the firewall and getting the side panels out and ready to put the new ones in. So, let's get started. Now for our next part is we'll be taking off the 8-pillar panel here. Now, unfortunately where the panels are, they're actually connected under the roof up here. So under this piece, our panels are welded in right here. So I'm going to cut these out right here and around there. So when I get the new ones, right there, I'm going to notch them out the same. So I just evenly butt them up, and I'm going to weld them into place. Do a full weld all the way across so it's good, so I don't have to remove this part and have issues with the stuff coming unaligned or anything like that. Now to take out this panel, I'm going to do the same thing I did with the firewall. I'm going to use my plasma cutter. So I'm going to cut up above here because it has about an inch right here where it's spot welded into the bracket for this piece here. I'm going to cut out this section. And do the same here. So I'm going to cut out this whole entire piece. And none of this is needed because that's all on the firewall. So I'm going to take all that off too. And do the same on the other side. But on the driver's side, it's a little more complicated because I have the torsion box here. And that comes up right here. So when I cut this one out, I'm going to cut it up here, and then I'm going to use the grinder to take off everything that's spot welded onto this. So this side you can see clearly. It's all spot welded down here and across bottom here. So I'm going to be pretty much cutting all that off with plasma, and then I'm going to use the grinder to take everything off from there. Helps if I turn it on. There, so you see, all I got left is this little corner here. Grind off this little bit here, and then everything on the inside here, and that'll be done. Do the same on the other side, and hit it with the grinder. And voila. Okay, so I got them all plasma cutted out. You see, all cut out. There it is. Here's my new one. So now I'm gonna take a grinder, grind out all this, grind out the rest of the stuff down here, grind off that. I'm gonna cut out where I'm gonna butt it up at. So here and here. So then I have a even place to cut it for the new one. So let me get this silicone out and I'm done. And I will not be showing that on the camera because if you can see, it looks very dirty. That's my lens. As you can see, my lens is very spectic because I hit it with the grinder. Well, sparks from the grinder hit the lens and completely destroyed my lens. So I will not be using the camera near the grinder anymore. So I'll be back once I get all that grinded off. Okay, I'm all done finally. Removing the A-pillar plate. As you can see, it's all gone. Now I'm going to have to notch it on the bottom because I'm not removing this plate. I'm going to notch it up top in this corner here because I'm not going to remove the roof. So my new one will be notched there and there. And I put that in. So as you see, up top here, top of my A-frame, gonna notch out that corner in order to put it in. See this side, all done. And of course I have to repair the pillar. And you can see where it's all rotten out. Down here too. Same on the other side. Other than that, that's where I'm stopping for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like the video, subscribe, and wait for the next one. That should be out soon.